In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable night shift on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you want to turn on night shift on your iPhone running iOS 18, it is quick and easy. So if you're done with this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first way or the first approach you can follow suit to enable or turn on night shift on your iPhone is open the iPhone settings. Then on the settings page, scroll down and click on display and brightness. Then once you click on that, scroll down a bit, and if you see night shift, go ahead and click on that. Once you selected night shift, you should see option to turn on night shift here. That is manually enable until tomorrow. So this is going to turn on your night shift from now until tomorrow. Then you can adjust the color temperature, less warm, or you want to create more warm using this slider. See that? Now, if you want to schedule your night shift on your iPhone, all you just need to do is click on schedule button, and then you'll be able to schedule your night shift on your iPhone. By clicking on this, then you can see that. Then this is when the night shift is going to turn on, and this is when it's going to turn off. You can edit this time or this. Then you can also set it to automatic by choosing sunset to sunrise. So selected that this is going to turn on the night shift at sunset and turn it on at sunrise. Another way you can use to turn on night shifts on your iPhone is through the control center. Just swipe down the control center just like this. Then come here and click on the brightness and display this. Then you should see the night shift here is turned off. Then if I click on this, this is going to enable the night shift on my iPhone on iOS 18. And if I click on this, this is going to disable the night shift. So this is how you can easily enable night shift on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.